butter heaven. Where do I even start? No. So, I got my butter. Another tick off the wish list. Look at this. We've got butter with salt. We've got butter with truffles. We've got butter with olives and lemons and chili.
And this is the fish soup.
Okay.
My pleasure. Palache. Cheese. Thank you.
Thank you.
First another event.
I have this habit of ordering event pieces. This is the seafood soup that you just saw. And I have some accompanying crouton and cheese, probably a gruyere, and some kind of sauce. Check this out. And French onion soup. Just walking through Rue Saint-Honoré back to Place Vendôme to pick up a special something for Eileen, and then onto Avenue Montaigne, and then pick up a bottle of champagne, it rhymes, and then finish off our day. So yeah, if you needed a sign, this is it. Good. Hey, Gary. This is very Australian, isn't it? Well, it looks as though Notre Dame is lit up, even though it's not open yet. It opens 3 days after we leave. But the lights are extraordinary. It's going to be a big deal. Got the Louvre behind me. Some more loot. So I will share that with you when I get home. A quick room tour. Living area, clothes drying rack. We have Lovely floors, dining area, kitchen, television, oven, like a convection oven, dishwasher, fabulous, massive bin for the size of the apartment, fridge, and all your bits and pieces. It's not a very functional kitchen for cooking in, however, it is functional for two people who are just having a coffee and a glass of wine at the end of the day. Then we have a little powder room in here. Then we have our washing machine area in here. And then down the hall, there's lots of kind of fashion photography and local cafes. The first bathroom. So let me see. So shower, toilet, sink, all the bits and pieces. So it's quite a nice finish. Second bathroom, bigger. And I'll just show you my room. So a big cupboard here for like more coats and things like that. And then a whole bunch of bench space, floor, big bed. And it looks out onto the street down below, and surprisingly there's not that much noise, but yeah, big kind of hanging space. Got all the bags down there, and then this one has all the other bits and pieces too. So pretty happy with this place. I will pop the listing on the description box, but if you're a tall person, you might want to think twice about it, because it can be a little short for the tall peeps. But yeah, it's been great for the just over a week that we've been here. So I've just finished packing. I quite enjoy the process. Eileen is not the biggest fan, but I quite enjoy the process of just transitioning to the next space. And we've just cleaned out the fridge for our last dinner. Finishing it the same way we started, with Perrier Jouet. And this is the contents of our fridge. A beautiful double cream brie, some interesting bickies, leftover foie gras, some meats, caper berries. Should be delish. So, au revoir from Paris. It's my last morning in Paris, and I thought I'd come back and visit the galleries at the St. Sulpice fountain. I love being up early because there's nobody around. Fabulous. Morning face flying out today, so just came to get croissant and a bit of fresh air before the crazy packing and hair washing and everything commences. But yeah, one last little look at Paris. Come on. Eine Schokolade. Till next time, Paris. See you guys in Australia.